5 Homemade remedies to fight lice. Lice are an unpleasant infestation that feed off human blood to survive and almost always prefer to attack children. This infestation generally lives in overpopulated environments with poor hygienic practices and are able to jump from one person to another through direct contact. But the truth is that everyone is at risk of having lice enter their home, because lice don't discriminate and can choose anyone to make a good habitat. Lice are not a big threat to the people they affect, but they are very unpleasant and can cause discomfort, like extreme itchiness on the head, irritation, and even bacterial infections. Fortunately, there is a large amount of homemade remedies to fight lice in order to prevent other people from getting them and eliminate them completely from your life. Why choose homemade remedies to fight lice? Homemade remedies especially tend to be the best alternative to getting rid of lice, because they don't have side effects and are completely safe. It is true that there are a large amount of shampoos and treatments to get rid of lice today, but these products tend to have toxic components that can affect your health or cause skin irritation. In fact, most of these products warn that they should not be applied for a long time, because they can have these side effects. Getting rid of lice with homemade remedies is a healthy and effective option because it can facilitate the elimination of those annoying nits. Although you may have to be more consistent when applying, the results will be great and you won't have to worry about this problem again. 1. Mayonnaise and vinegar. Mayonnaise and vinegar are 2 allies for getting rid of lice and nits. This treatment is truly special because, besides helping you get rid of this annoying infestation, it will also help give your hair shine and hydration. 2. Eucalyptus infusion. The smell of eucalyptus can be very bothersome to lice and it will have a very powerful action when it comes in direct contact with them. 3. Apple cider vinegar. This easy-to-find product has a powerful action to put an end to those annoying lice. Keep in mind that if there are too many lice, or if they are very big, it may not have a 100% effect. However, its application can help reduce them significantly. 4. Oil mixture. A mixture of essential oils can be great for getting rid of lice because it helps make them slippery and in turn, nourish the hair. You can mix coconut, jasmine, anise, geranium, or other oils and then apply throughout your hair and scalp. Let stand for at least 30 minutes and see how it facilitates the removal of lice with the help of a comb. 5. Rosemary infusion. Rosemary is one of the best herbs for your hair's health, because it cleans it deeply, strengthens it, and stimulates its growth. This plant is also great for fighting lice, because it has a powerful action against them. If you think this information is interesting, share it with your Facebook and Twitter friends. I like the video and subscribe to our channel.